Cornerstone Building Brands is proud to be the largest manufacturer of exterior building products in North America. With more than 30 brands to choose from, we work hard to provide quality residential and low-rise commercial building solutions. Whether it's new construction or repair and remodel, we've got you covered. We're not only number one in windows, vinyl siding, metal accessories, and turnkey stone solutions, but we're also number one in metal roofing, wall systems, and building solutions. And with more than 100 locations across North America, we're well positioned to meet the growing needs of our customers. Our building solutions are the cornerstone of the communities we serve, from recreational facilities, shopping centers, and office buildings, to local schools, barn-dominiums, and homes. Every building we help create positively contributes to the communities where people live, work, and play. Our industry-leading product portfolio makes us the premier exterior building solutions provider. We're your one-stop shop for nearly everything you'll find on a home's exterior, including windows, siding, stone, metal roofing, shutters, fencing and rail, trim, and accessories. We also provide post-frame structures and pre-engineered metal buildings for both the residential and commercial markets, from the simplest to the most complex building projects. But we are not solely focused on manufacturing and operational excellence. We invest in our people, our businesses, and our communities too. Our forward-looking strategy is guided by our core values of safety, integrity, innovation, and teamwork. Cornerstone Building Brands is committed to building better for stronger communities now and for generations to come.